12, and the record low is minus.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lafayette County in south central Wisconsin until 8:30 p.m. At 7:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Scales Mound or near Galena, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Darlington, Shullsburg, Belmont, Benton, Wyoda, New Diggings, Lamont, Gratiot, Platte Mounts, Leslie, and Lead Mine. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows.